Hello everyone, my name is Adrian Bolanci and this is my tutorial video for loops. A for loop in Java provides a concise way to iterate a specific number of times or over elements in a collection. Here is an example basic loop that prints number 6 to 10. This one. For int I equals to 6, I equals to 10, I greater than equals to 10, I plus plus. This is the for loop. Headers consisting of their parts separated by semicolon. Int I6 equals that initialization statement. This declares and initialize a loop counter variable I to 6. These parts execute only when the loop begins. I equals greater than equals 10. This is Boolean expression condition. This condition is evaluated before each iteration. If it values to true, the loop body executes. If it evaluates to false, the loop terminates. I plus plus, the update statement. This statement execute after each iteration of the loop body. In this case, it increments the value of I by 6. System that outprint number plus I. This is the loop body. The code within the early braces execute separated repeatedly as long as the condition in the loop header is the truth. In the example, it prints the current value of the in each iteration. This is the example. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is my do while loop in Java. The while loop in Java guarantees that the code block within the loop will execute at least once, regardless of whether the condition is initially true or false. After the initially executing the condition evaluated, and if it's true, the loop continues to iterate. If the condition is false, that loop terminates. This is the example. Demonstrate the do while loop that prints number 0 to 4. Initialization. This integer variable is initialized to 0. Do block executing the code inside the do block executes. System out that print I prints the current value of I, which is 0. I plus plus increments I to 1 while condition check. The condition I greater than 5 is the value since 1 greater than 5 is true. The loop continues. Repeat step 2 and repeat becomes 1, printed the becomes 2. Condition 2 greater than 5 is the true. I becomes 2, printed then becomes 3. Condition 3 greater than 5 is true. I becomes 3, printed the becomes 4. Condition 4 greater than 5 is true. I becomes 4, printed then becomes 5. Condition 5 greater than 5 is false. Termination. The loop terminates because the condition I greater than 5 is no longer true. And this is the output. printing. This is the output. Count 1 2 3 4 5. While loop. And in a while loop, the condition is checked before the first execution of the loop body. If the condition is initially false, the while loop body will never execute. It contrasts the do while loop, guarantees at least one execution of its body even the condition is initially false. A while loop in Java repeatedly executes a block of statement as long as a specified condition remains true. The loop continues to iterate, checking the condition before each execution of the loop body. When the condition evaluates to false, the loop terminates and the program proceeds to statement immediately following the loop. Here is example of demonstrating a while loop that prints number 1 to 5. Explanation. Initialization. The int count equals 1 statement initialize a variable count to 1. This variable acts as a counter for the loop. Condition check. The while count greater than equals 5. The statement checks if the value of counts less than or equal to 5. Loop body execution. If the condition is true, the code inside curly braces the loop body is executed. In the example, it prints the current value of count and then increments count by 1 using count ++. Iteration. After executing the loop body, the program returns to step 2, reevaluating the condition. This process repeats until the condition count greater than equals 5 becomes false. When count becomes 6, termination. Once count becomes 6, the condition count equals greater than to 5 evaluates to false and the loop terminates the program. The executes the statement following the loop printing loop finish the final count 6, and this is the output. Of program, and this is the output. Thank you everyone for watching my video tutorial today. Good night.